Hey guys, if you are just coming by my channel for the first time, I want you to make sure that if you enjoy my channel, if you enjoy one of my videos, like, comment, share my channel with someone, because if you don't need my information, maybe your neighbor, your friend, your cousin, one of your family members, anybody, somebody will need the information that I'm sharing. And know that knowledge is power. Why make a mistake? If you just came across the videos or the channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified every time I drop a video. Now, I'm doing something different for 2024. 7 days a week, I am dropping a video. It will probably be 5 shorts a week, which shorts are under 3 minutes, 2 minutes. And then I'll be doing long form videos. Long form videos will be 5 minutes or more, maybe sometimes 7, maybe sometimes 10, but I'll be sharing valuable information. So you get to check me out every day. And remember, if you hit that subscribe button, guess what? You'll be notified every time I drop a video. Well, today we're going to be talking about how much does it really cost to own a vehicle. Now, we're in 2024, and if you're watching this video, Happy New Year. Or if you watch this video 6 months into the year, a year from now, still Happy New Year, right? Happy New Year. So again, today I'm going to be talking about how much does it really cost to own a vehicle. And I find 26 years being in this great automobile space that people, individuals, customers, we don't really take into consideration the things that you need to be thinking about when you're buying a vehicle. So that's why I decided to do this video. Actually, the first thing you want to be thinking about is you want to be thinking about the sticker price of the vehicle. How much is it really going to cost for me to buy this vehicle? Now, if you're buying a new car, it's still a sticker price on the car. If you're buying a used vehicle or a pre-owned vehicle, which is the same thing, it's a sticker price on the sticker price for the vehicle. Now, the sticker price is going to include all the amenities of the vehicle, whether you have leather seat, cloth seats, sunroof, power roof with sunroof, or you're going to have a power seat, or if you're going to have, if you need rear air in the back, or if you're driving a 7-passenger, say a 7-passenger Tahoe or a Yukon Denali or Suburban, do you have TVs in the back of your vehicle, or do you have that crossover? For instance, maybe that Equinox, or maybe that Buick Enclave. Do you have a vehicle with TVs in it? Because you want to entertain your guests and entertain your kids that you have in the back, right? So every amenity that you have, all that extra, it costs. So when you think about the sticker price, think about all the other amenities that you want or need on your vehicle. But know this, your average sticker price on your vehicle right now in 2024 is $720. $720. That's a lot of money compared to 2020, 2021, 2022. Everything's going up. Everything's going up besides our paycheck, right? So that's number one. Number two, loans. Know this, the higher the loan amount, the greater the responsibility. Paying off your loan includes the loan payment, which is the money you borrow against your vehicle, plus the interest. Now, I want you to just make sure if you need to figure out your payment, find you a affordable calculator or payment calculator online that you can be able to calculate your payment to know what it is. But remember, you cannot calculate a payment unless you know what your current interest rate is or what you qualify for. Now, the number 3 is huge because a lot of people don't think about this. They buy their vehicle, and whether it's a new car or whether it's a used car, they're not thinking about the maintenance. They're not figuring out the maintenance on the car. So remember, the higher the price of your car, the higher the sticker price, the more amenities you have on your vehicle, the more it's going to cost you to maintain that particular vehicle. So when you think about maintenance on your vehicle, you want to be thinking about oil changes. How much is an oil change going to cost? The average oil change price right now on a Chevrolet, or let's just say a General Motors product, and it's not electric, but just the average price on a General Motors vehicle now to actually get the oil change is running between, let's say between $80 to $90 for oil change. Now, back in the day, 3 or 4 years ago, the oil changes were $49, $50. Now they're between $80 and $90. The only thing about the oil changes right now, if you get them serviced at a dealership, you have, usually they're rotating your tires. So not only are they changing your oil, they're also rotating your tires in that. Remember, everything's gone up except our paycheck. So you're going to pay more for things. Besides getting your oil change done on your vehicle, you got to think about getting your wiper blades replaced. That's important, right? Because you got to be able to see if you're driving driving down the street and it's snowing outside or it's raining, you need to make sure you have your wiper blades or wiper blades that are suitable for your vehicle, or if you need to replace them. Another thing you want to be thinking about is wheel alignment, which I said if you normally now you get your oil change done, guess what? You're going to get your tires rotated, then you're going to get that wheel alignment. But also think about this, you got to be thinking about your battery replacement. Battery replacement, right? People are not thinking, oh, I shouldn't have to get my battery replaced. I just got the car. Whether it's new car or used car. Eventually, you may have to replace the battery. The great thing about it is when you buy a new vehicle, you're going to get a brand new battery. And you get a warranty. But if you buy that pre-owned vehicle, know that if the battery goes out, you're going to have to replace it. So these just are the normal things that you really have to honestly think about when it comes to the upkeep on your vehicle. The average car owner spends hundreds of dollars per year maintaining their vehicle. Hundreds of dollars to maintain the dollar amount for their vehicle. Maintain their maintenance, basically. Another thing what people don't think about, which is number 4, is insurance. Know that people are always thinking about how can I keep my insurance costs low? A lot of people don't think about if you pay for your insurance annually, which is yearly, you pay it all up for the year, you're going to have a little bit of savings. But if you pay for it monthly, which most people do, you're not going to get that much savings. You're going to get a little bit of savings if you do it for yearly or annually. So no, month to month, you're going to pay a little bit more. Another way you can save when it comes to your insurance is that you get paperless. You get paperless billing. Besides paperless billing, so they don't have to send you a bill every month, your insurance payment monthly debited out your account. So if you get that monthly debit, that Progressive or Allstate or State Farm or Geico, any insurance carrier that you're with, if they can pull that money from you monthly out your account, they're going to give you a little bit of savings. So think about that. Remember, if you pay it annually once a year, you're going to get that savings. If you pay for it monthly, you're not going to save that much. But if you do it directly coming out your account every month, you're going to get that savings too. Another way that you can save when it comes to your insurance, you can do what we call the bundle. The bundle. Now, the bundle is when if you own a home, you get your homeowner's insurance with the same insurance company you have your car with. If you're renting a home and you don't own a home, you get rentals insurance. So you got to think about the little savings that you can get when you have the bundle. And if you can confuse what the bundle is, call your insurance agent. And if you're new with getting insurance, just make sure you find a well-qualified insurance company that can walk you through the process. Number 5, registration fees. Now, registration fees vary from state to state, model to model, which is model to model mean from if you're getting a Chevy or you're getting a Buick or a GMC or you're getting a Toyota, that varies from model to model. But no, again, registration fees are different in every state. Number 6, fuel. Gas prices also vary from state to state. And also, another thing which is overlooked by new car buyers in 2023, even though we're in 2024, is vehicle owners spend an average of $5,000 fueling up their vehicles. The cost of the gas is a big factor in increasing popularity of electric cars. But let me just say this. Let me back up. You know, if you're looking for savings on gas, you know, if you have a Shell gas station, they have a plan that you can actually you get gas from Shell, you sign up for their plan. I can't think of the plan right now, but if you sign up for Shell, you get Shell on a regular basis, you can sign up, have a little card, you get a little bit of savings. What is it, 3 or 4 cents on every gallon that you get in your gas tank? If you're a member at Kroger has their savings, right? Kroger grocery store, right? But you can get gas and you have a savings for that. Costco is the famous one. Costco. If you have a Costco membership, Costco got their own gas station that's usually on the same land or not too far from the Costco building where you go in and you buy your goods. So having a Costco membership, getting gas at the Costco gas station, you're going to get that savings too. So the fuel. That's important. So in this video, I gave you 6 ways to think about when it comes to buying a vehicle. And I hope this helped, because if I'd have known this when I got my first vehicle, I probably would have been in a better situation when I got my first vehicle when I was 21, 22. If I had known this, but I didn't. So that's why you're watching my channel. All right, I'll see you in the next video.